Oh my god, look at this view on the right. Oh, this is superb. Hello, beautiful people. Hope you guys are having an amazing day. We are starting a new motorcycle series where we'll be exploring different parts of California, Los Angeles, and then finally, riding across United States. So this is our first ride, and we are going to one of the most scenic and beautiful roads in Los Angeles. We're going to Mount Baldy, and then taking Glendora Ridge Road, and then finally heading to Azusa Canyon. So let's go and show you the most beautiful scenic roads in Los Angeles. So it is about almost 30 to 40 minutes to Mount Baldy from Los Angeles. We are taking 210 East, and then I think we'll take exit on Baseline Road, and then it will take us straight to Mount Baldy. The best thing, in driving in California is, you can split lanes. And I think that's very underrated. You cannot do it in any other states in the United States. So, it's definitely a bonus to live in California and ride here. Here comes our Mount Baldy Road. We are taking right here, and then this road will take us straight to Mount Baldy. The weather is quite hot today. It's about 95, 96 Fahrenheit. What a sight, man! Look at the mountain ahead of us. You just ride here and enjoy the beauty, man. It's so pleasing to the eye. If you're enjoying this video, please give a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel, like this video and share it with your family and friends.
I am waiting for a bus at the end of the night under street lamp.
Here comes our Glendora Ridge Road, which will take us to the Azusa Canyon. So let's make a left here. You see it says the East Fork Road, San Gabriel Canyon, Glendora, Mount Baldy Village is up ahead. We'll be going maybe next time or something. Yeah, it says on the board as well that the next 12 miles will be a winding road. Yeah, there will be lots and lots of, switchbacks, lots and lots of turns, and there will be amazing, amazing views. So stay tuned. Oh my god, look at this view on the right. Oh, this is superb. Yeah, maybe let's stop on the next viewpoint, just get some rest, take some drone shots. I'm trying to find something, where there's some shade because it's really hot out here. Yeah, these views are, it's crazy. I think I'll not find a better viewpoint than this. Let me go here and check out. Oh, this is, oh my God. It's amazing. What a view. Every switchback, you are entertained with like the most stunning views you can get. Oh my God, just look at that, right? It's so beautiful. You just can't get enough of these views. They are absolutely stunning.
You bring me down for all to see, then switch it up and treat me right. You promise sun, but you bring rain. I still love
the thrill that you get on these winding roads, these turns, and then you're amazed at such beautiful views. It's like you're living a dream. This is my favorite part. You can see like the winding road just ahead of the hill. I think after this switchback you'll be able to see. Yeah, you see that winding road? Oh my God. It's crazy how beautiful this is. Yeah, I love it. Almost close to the East Fork Road. This is the road that connects Glendora Mountain Road to Azusa Canyon. So I think we're just like a mile or so behind. So we are almost here. So the road straight up ahead goes to Glendora Mountain Road, and then this road on the right, it goes to Azusa Canyon. This is the East Fork Road. Yeah, this road is pretty as well. It has lots of switchbacks, lots of turns. Yeah, so it'll be a nice ride. So as you can see, there are very tight turns, and it's not very easy to ride on this road. It's very challenging. For those who have ridden here, they will know that it's a challenging ride. But yeah, if you want to improve your riding skills, get better at riding, then this is the road for you. Yeah, just look at the view ahead. Yeah, it's beautiful. Yeah, there's so many cars here. I'm not sure there's a viewpoint or something. I don't know. So we'll make a left here. You can see it says East Fork Road, and it goes to Isuza Canyon. And there is a San Gabriel River that flows in these mountains. So to my right there is a San Gabriel River, and people usually come here to camp, for barbecue, just for picnic. So it's a good spot to come to hang out on a Saturday or Sunday, or even on vacation. So you see on the left it says Oaks Picnic Area, San Gabriel Mountains. and it's all part of Angeles National Forest. I think this is a good spot. So this is the San Gabriel River that flows in these mountains. As you can see, people have camped here. They're enjoying themselves. Yeah, it's a nice family spot for picnic. We are almost there, towards the end of the East Fork Road, and then we'll be on the Azusa Canyon Road. We'll make a left here. So if you make a right here, then you go all the way to Crystal Lake, and there's a very nice viewpoint up there as well. I've stopped at this viewpoint. Just look at it. This is the San Gabriel Dam, and it's located in San Gabriel Mountains, obviously. So yeah, a very nice viewpoint. It just looks like a place where Jurassic Park was shot, I guess. It looks very similar to that. We are towards the end of Azusa Canyon Road. Hopefully you have liked this ride, and if you did like it, please give a big thumbs up, share with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel. I'll conclude this video at this beautiful location. I'll see you at the next video. Until then, goodbye and take care of yourself.